Welcome to Word 2016. Before you attempt the next assignment, make sure you've looked through all of the suggested text. It will help you be successful, and you will also find yourself spending less time completing the assignment, and you won't become as frustrated. At the minimum, watch the videos in each segment. They are short and to the point on the skills you need to learn to be successful with using Word 2016. For this assignment, you will be working on the following: downloading and editing a document, formatting text, inserting and editing a picture, changing paragraph alignment, creating a bulleted list, inserting a hyperlink. In this video, I'm going to cover these 6 areas. Downloading and editing a document. When you begin working on the assignment, you go to Blackboard and then select the assignment you want to work on. On this screen, you will see the due date for the assignment and also the points possible. Right under this information, you will see the instructions for the assignment. If there is a document to be downloaded as part of the assignment, it will be beneath the instructions. In this case, it is the Worldwide Communications Data File document that must be downloaded. You select this hyperlink. If you are using Chrome in Windows 10, you will see that at the bottom left corner of your screen, a new section appears with the name of the document selected visible. Select this section to open the document. I would suggest at this time that you save the document to place on your computer so that you can locate it later. Tip: always save the documents in the same location so you don't have to spend time looking for them later on. You have now downloaded your document and are ready to edit. When you modify existing text, the first thing you need to do is select the text. Otherwise, how does Word know what you want to make changes to? In this case, you want to increase font size. So you select the text and select the recommended font size. You can also change the font type or apply bold or anything in the font grouping. Text effects apply a visual flair to your text by just clicking one button. You can still go back and make changes, but this is a quick and easy way to make your document stand out. Again, to apply the effect to existing text, you need to first select the text. You can also select the effect you wish and then start typing to apply the changes. Many times you will want to change the alignment of your paragraph on your documents. This is easily done by selecting the alignment you wish in the paragraph grouping on the ribbon. Make sure your insertion point is located within the paragraph you wish to make changes to. You do not need to highlight your text to change the alignment, but it's okay if you want to do so. Whenever you need to add a blank line, you move your insertion point to the end of the paragraph right before you want to enter your blank line. Then you hit the Enter key. Hit the Enter key a second time to insert a blank line between the 2 paragraphs. To help you see where you have blank lines in a document, make sure you turn on the Show Hide feature in Word. This is located in the paragraph grouping on the menu in the upper right corner. It looks like a backwards P. This will show paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols. Don't worry if you leave this feature turned on, the marks will not print. There are 2 ways to create a bulleted or numbered list. You can type the text and then add the bullets. First, type the text entering the Enter key at the end of each point. Now, select all of the text you want to bullet, then select the bullet symbol that you want to use. These are found in the bullet numbering commands in the paragraph grouping on the ribbon. If you would like, you can select the bullet numbering command of your choice, then start typing to create a bulleted list. Every time you hit the Enter key, this will move your insertion point down one line. And the new line will have a bullet numbering icon on it. To stop adding bullets, you simply enter twice at the end of the last bulleted item. For more detailed information regarding bulleted list, please refer to the list lessons on the gcflearnfree.org website. Inserting and formatting pictures. First, move your insertion point to where you want the picture to appear. Then go to the Insert tab and select either Pictures, these would be located on your computer, or Online Pictures, these are available online. Locate the picture that you want to use. You can double-click on it or select the picture and then click Insert. The picture will appear in your document with the upper left corner located where your insertion point was. Sometimes the picture is huge and you need to resize it. To resize your picture, use the circles on the corners only. This will stop the picture from appearing distorted. If you already know what size you want the picture to be, use the size area located on the far right on the Picture Tools Format tab. If you do not see this tab on the ribbon, make sure you have the picture selected. When you add your picture to the document, it is automatically set to be in line with text. This is the wrapping option, which indicates to Word how you want the text to wrap around your picture. You can change the wrap style by going to the Wrap Text command in the Arrange grouping on the Picture Tools Format tab. There are several options to choose from. The most common one is Square. Once you have changed the wrap style, you can now click on the picture and move it to the location that you choose. For this assignment, we're going to want the picture to be in between, so we could choose the top and bottom wrapping to have it appear between the two paragraphs. There are so many things you can do with your pictures in Word. In addition to resizing, you can change the color, remove the background, add an artistic effect, and even a border. The key is to make sure you have the picture selected first. For more information on pictures and text wrapping and on formatting pictures, refer to these lessons on the gcflearnfree.org website. When you create a link to a website or another document, you are creating a hyperlink. There are a few ways to insert a hyperlink into your document. You can either convert existing text to a hyperlink or use Word's automatic link formatting. I'm going to explain here what I believe is the easiest way to insert a hyperlink. Access the internet and find the website that you want to link to. So in this case, I'm going to come up and go to the WATC website. Highlight the URL in the address line and then select Copy. Return to your document. Enter the text where you want the hyperlink to be. Highlight the text. Then go to the Insert tab. And select Hyperlink in the Links grouping. A dialog box will appear. The text you selected will appear in the Text to Display box. At the bottom of this box, in the address box, copy the URL address. Then select OK. When you move your mouse over the text, you should see a screen tip with the URL and the words Ctrl+Click to follow the link. Test it out yourself and make sure the link is going to the website you requested. For more information on hyperlinks, refer to the lesson on the gcflearnfree.org website. Header and footer. For most of the assignments, you will need to enter a customized header or footer in your document. To do this, select the Insert tab, then select Header or Footer command in the Header and Footer grouping. Select the blank 3-column built-in header. You will see text that is formatted within brackets. These are placeholders for your text. Select the type here located in the left side of the header or footer and begin typing your name. The Type Here text will disappear and the text you entered will appear. To exit the header or footer, either double-click inside your document or select the Close Header Footer command on the ribbon. You will still be able to see the information in the header and footer, but it will be in light gray text. If you see a placeholder, you either need to make sure that you put some text within the placeholder or delete that placeholder. Never leave one with just Type Here. If you want your document to be centered vertically on your page, it's easy to do this. On the Layout tab, select the Dialog Box Launcher, which is another name for the small arrow in the left corner of the grouping area in the Page Setup group. Now we're going to select the Layout tab. In the middle of the box, you'll see Page Vertical Alignment, and in the drop-down menu, you can choose Top, which is the default setting, Center, Justified, or Bottom. Make sure you don't have the picture selected when you're changing the page alignment. To make sure your document is on the required number of pages, it is always a good idea to look at Print Preview. This is located on the Backstage view on the File tab. You're going to go to File and then select Print, and you'll see a preview of your document in the right-hand side of the dialog box. If it does not look correct, then select the arrow in the upper left corner to go back to the document. You can make some changes right in the Print Preview pane if you wish. When you're finished creating your document, save it and then close Word. Now you're ready to submit the document for grading in Blackboard. We're going to go to the assignment page in Blackboard. Right under the assignment information is the assignment submission section. Select Browse My Computer, then go to the location where you saved your file. Double-click on the file you wish to submit or select the Open button. The file information will appear on the screen in the assignment box. You may add comments if you wish, but they're not necessary. Click the blue Submit button located at the top or the bottom corner of the page. A new screen will appear where you can review your submission history for the document. Your document may or may not appear in the preview pane window. If it does not, or if it appears but it doesn't look like the document you created, don't worry. You will notice a box on the right side of the screen and the title of your document will appear there. Right next to the name of the document, there is a download arrow. Select that arrow and you can download the actual document that you attached. If it looks correct, then you're set to go. This is what I do when I'm grading assignments. Select OK if you're ready to move on. If you realize that you do need to make changes or wish to attach another document, then select Start New and you can resubmit another document for grading. The original one will still be there, but I will only grade one of them. The highest grade is the one that will be posted in Blackboard. In this video, I went over some of the skills you will need to use when you complete the Worldwide Communications Flyer, as well as in future assignments. For more information on the skills you need to use Word 2016, refer to the Word 2016 lessons on the GCFLearnFree.org website.